We wanted to kick off this week's celebration really rooted with intentionality for our students. This is what unifies all of us every single day.
Taking online classes right now, but I heard this event was happening. I want to have an opportunity to have as much student interaction, so I had to check this out.
It was like, we're definitely a community here at Long Beach, and I love it. The energy is here, the positive vibes, the vibes are here. I think it's cool coming after practice, after study hall, to just kind of relax, eat, play games, and to know that there's a president that's very involved.
Change is the only constant in our lives. Whether it's the change of seasons, the change in our age, a change in our perspectives, a change in how we educate, or a change in our leadership.
After conducting a comprehensive national search, the board was confident in selecting Dr. Munoz as the next superintendent president. We're happy to have one of our own right here at Long Beach City College.
This is the gift you have given me, a place where I finally feel like I fully belong, fully seen and fully validated. I am so proud and grateful to be a Viking and be part of this community. I commit to repaying this beautiful gift that you are giving me and this opportunity to serve as superintendent president by showing up every day, being present with a spirit of collaboration and rooted in our shared humanity to serve our students, faculty, staff, and community. Serving as the superintendent president of Long Beach City College is truly an honor of a lifetime. Thank you.
Dr. Mike Munoz, who will be throwing out the first pitch. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's play ball.